Good day, traders, and welcome to the premium trading video for June 14th, 2013. Last week, I promised everyone in the group that I was going to show you exactly how I trade relative strength pairs. I'll get back to regular stock market analysis next week because markets are really range-bound and drifting randomly right now. Also, volume is low since it's the beginning of summer, so there's lots of random noise. So I will do the first part today, and I will finish up this tutorial on relative strength pairs on Monday. Let me start out by explaining relative strength pairs for those of you who are not familiar with this type of trading. The concept is very simple. We find a stock sector that we anticipate is going to move in the near future due to some major economic events. We're not looking for short-term move, but a major fundamental move that may cause volatility. We don't care about direction of the move. We only want to make sure there's going to be a move. The next step is to find two stocks in the sector that are completely opposite of each other in terms of strength and weakness. One stock must be strong, while the other stock must be a dog or one of the weakest stocks in the sector. Once we identify the two stocks, one strong and one weak, we apply the ATR indicator to equalize the positions so we have equal exposure between the two. We go long the strong stock and we go short the weak stock. The positions are not looked at as two separate positions, so you always have to subtract your loser from your winner in every part of the trade. Your profit target is 4 ATR and your risk is 2 ATR, and I'll get into ATR so you'll understand all of this. I will go through the entire process with you so you can see how I calculate and pick the stocks and calculate the ATR. You should also find some links in this email that points you to a few short videos about ATR and relative strength as well. First, we go to barchart.com. I find a sector that I'm interested in. Once you're on the home page, just go to stocks, then sectors, and choose a sector of your choice. I'm going to choose the computer storage device sector because this sector is known to produce lots of volatility, and also because many companies are switching from local storage to cloud storage. So there's going to be lots of volatility in this sector, and that's exactly what we want. You can see in this example all the stocks that make up the sector. I want to choose a strong relative stock and a weak relative stock. I typically look for stocks priced over $20 because I'm looking for volatility. I also want to find a pair of stocks that have the opposite but similar alpha weight. This is the number that measures the strength of the stock for the last year or the weakness of the stock for the last year. Here are two stocks that I'll pick. The long side, I'll pick NTAP, and for the short side, I'll pick Teradata, ticker TDC. Notice both stocks are priced over $20 and have the closest opposite alpha weight out of the group. Let's take a look at both stocks. First, we have NetApp. The alpha weight is over 28% positive. The stock is trending strongly up and it's priced well above $20. You can see the upslope is well above 20% as well. The next stock, the one we want to use for our short position, is Teradata, ticker symbol TDC. The stock has a negative alpha weight over 21%, which is the closest negative one in the group to match the long position, and the stock is a higher price stock, which helps as well. Notice the stock is trending strongly down as well. Now that we have our two stocks, we have to balance our positions so that they provide equal exposure across the board. We do this with the ATR indicator. I highly recommend you review the videos on ATR so this will make more sense to you, and we will cover this extensively on Monday. This is the first part of our tutorial. On Monday, I will update you on the fundamentals, provide you some setups, and conclude this tutorial. I want to calculate the ATR and go through all the steps with you. So watch the videos and we will continue Monday morning and finish our relative strength position, including ATR equalization. Have a great weekend, and I'll update you Sunday night or early Monday morning.